From humble sand to crystal clear packaging, discover the intricate journey inside a modern glass bottle factory.
Our story begins with silica sand, nature's purest ingredient, the very foundation of every glass creation.
Each grain undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest purity, a critical first step in quality glassmaking.
Carefully selected raw materials, silica sand, soda ash, and limestone, are meticulously stored, awaiting transformation. These carefully proportioned ingredients embark on their journey, transported by powerful conveyors towards the furnace's intense heat. Precision is paramount. Technicians meticulously control the exact ratios, ensuring perfect consistency for the highest quality glass.
Within colossal mixers, these raw elements are meticulously combined, forming the precise batch that will soon become molten glass.
The carefully prepared batch enters the furnace, where temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius will transform it into molten glass.
Within this crucible, raw materials fuse into a mesmerizing river of molten glass.
Expert operators maintain precise temperatures, ensuring the molten glass achieves perfect viscosity and consistency for optimal molding.
With breathtaking precision, perfectly measured gobs of molten glass are released, dropping into their initial molds. Inside the blank mold, immense pressure quickly shapes the molten glass, giving birth to the nascent form of a bottle.
Then, in a flurry of mechanical precision, blow molds rapidly close, introducing air pressure that expands the glass into its final shape. Compressed air meticulously inflates the glass, pushing it against the mold's precise contours, crafting the bottle's exact shape and design. Freshly molded, the glowing bottle emerges, a testament to the power of heat and precision, ready for its next crucial stage. Still radiating immense heat, these newly formed bottles embark on a critical journey into the annealing layer to strengthen. Inside the annealing layer, bottles undergo controlled cooling, slowly relieving internal stresses, making them incredibly strong and durable.
Emerging from the layer, each bottle undergoes immediate human inspection, ensuring no visible flaws escape detection.
Advanced optical scanners meticulously scrutinize every millimeter, identifying even microscopic imperfections invisible to the human eye. Any bottle failing these stringent tests is swiftly redirected, destined for recycling, upholding our commitment to zero waste.
Flawless bottles are gently guided by robotic arms, ensuring pristine handling as they transition to the next stage.
A protective coating is meticulously applied, enhancing durability and safeguarding the glass from scratches and abrasions.
The bottles then enter a specialized curing oven, where precise temperatures permanently bond the protective layer, ensuring lasting resilience. Emerging from the curing process, each bottle boasts enhanced durability and a pristine surface, ready for its final identity. Even after automation, skilled eyes meticulously scrutinize every bottle, guaranteeing each one meets our uncompromising quality standards.
Precision lasers engrave intricate logos and designs, permanently branding each bottle with our mark of excellence and craftsmanship.
Robotic precision ensures each perfectly crafted bottle is carefully placed into its custom-designed, protective packaging.
The final touch, a luxury cap is precisely secured, completing the bottle's elegant design and ensuring product integrity. Elegantly packaged, each bottle continues its journey, ready for the final touch, its unique brand label.
High-speed precision labeling machines apply each brand's unique identity, a vibrant testament to the bottle's purpose. From the production line, thousands of perfectly packaged bottles are meticulously prepared for global distribution, reaching markets worldwide.
Loaded onto trucks, these crystal-clear containers embark on their journey, carrying products to consumers across the globe.
Finally, the glass bottle fulfills its purpose, gracing shelves, a vessel of elegance, protecting and presenting its precious contents.
From molten sand to crystal clear packaging, a journey of meticulous craftsmanship, delivering quality and elegance to your hands.
Upon arrival, every batch of silica sand undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring purity and consistency, vital for superior glass. Under powerful microscopes, technicians meticulously analyze particle size and composition, guaranteeing optimal glass clarity and strength. Vast silos store meticulously prepared silica sand, ready for precise blending, a cornerstone of our exceptional glass quality. Automated systems precisely weigh soda ash and limestone, ensuring the exact chemical composition required for strong, clear glass. A complex network of pipes and chutes meticulously guides each ingredient, converging into the central mixing drum for perfect homogenization. Within the heart of the mixer, powerful paddles relentlessly churn, transforming disparate raw materials into a perfectly uniform batch.
Real-time thermal monitoring ensures the furnace maintains precise temperatures, crucial for achieving flawlessly consistent molten glass.
Perfectly conditioned, the molten glass flows seamlessly, a glowing river of potential, ready for its transformation into exquisite bottles. With breathtaking speed and precision, molten glass is expertly sheared into perfectly measured gobs, each destined for a single bottle.
Gravity and precision guide each glowing gob through intricate chutes, delivering it flawlessly to its awaiting mold.
The Parison mold sculpts the bottle's crucial neck and opening, forming the foundation of its precise and functional design.
With breathtaking speed, the Parison is precisely transferred, inverted, and positioned into the waiting blow mold.
Freshly blown, still glowing, bottles are gently released onto the cooling conveyor, beginning their journey to ambient temperatures.
These newly formed bottles enter the annealing layer, a controlled environment where gradual cooling eliminates internal stresses.
Advanced optical sensors meticulously detect internal stresses and structural integrity, ensuring every bottle's inherent strength and durability.
Acoustic testing, a delicate tap and sound analysis, reveals hidden structural flaws, guaranteeing unparalleled bottle integrity.
Flawed bottles are efficiently recycled, crushed into cullet, ready to re-enter the production cycle, embodying our sustainable commitment. This cullet, recycled glass, becomes a vital ingredient, reducing energy consumption and minimizing environmental impact in new production. Re-entering the production cycle, recycled cullet blends seamlessly with virgin materials, enhancing sustainability and resource efficiency. Utilizing recycled glass significantly reduces energy consumption in the melting process, a crucial step towards environmental stewardship.
Beyond recycling, our commitment extends to renewable energy, with vast solar arrays powering our operations, reducing carbon footprint.
Every decision, from sourcing to production, is guided by our unwavering commitment to environmental responsibility and sustainable practices.
Water, a precious resource, is meticulously filtered and recycled, minimizing consumption and ensuring a closed-loop system.
Our engineers relentlessly innovate, designing next-generation furnaces and processes that further reduce our environmental footprint.
Our most valuable asset, our people, receive continuous training, ensuring a safe and skilled workforce at every stage.
Even with advanced automation, the human touch remains irreplaceable, ensuring every bottle's flawless finish and exceptional quality. Beyond the machines, a vibrant community thrives, where camaraderie and well-being are as integral as our production processes.
Our advanced machinery receives meticulous care, with skilled technicians ensuring peak performance and uninterrupted, flawless production.
Beneath the surface, a symphony of precision gears and mechanisms ensures every label is flawlessly applied with incredible speed. Before production, master designers meticulously sculpt concepts, blending artistry with engineering to create iconic, functional glass forms.
From digital design to tangible reality, advanced 3D printing rapidly crafts intricate mold prototypes, accelerating innovation and perfection.
Precision CNC machines carve intricate details into robust metal, crafting the flawless molds that define each bottle's unique character.
Skilled artisans meticulously assemble each mold, a complex puzzle of precision engineering, ensuring perfect bottle replication every time. The completed mold, a testament to precision, is carefully transported to the forming machine, where it will begin shaping countless bottles. Even amidst molten rivers, skilled operators bravely intervene, ensuring uninterrupted flow and maintaining the heart of our production.
In our advanced R&D labs, scientists tirelessly explore new glass compositions, pushing.
Endoscopic camera, guided by robotic precision, meticulously inspects every internal surface, ensuring absolute perfection within. Laser micrometers precisely measure wall thickness, guaranteeing uniform strength and structural integrity in every single bottle.
Polarization tests reveal hidden stresses, ensuring each bottle possesses uniform strength and resilience, a testament to annealing. In controlled burst tests, bottles are pushed to their limits, guaranteeing they withstand extreme pressures far beyond everyday use. Every burst test yields vital data, continuously informing our designs, ensuring unparalleled strength and unwavering product reliability. In post-production, every detail is perfected, ensuring each image impeccably conveys the bottle's inherent luxury and flawless design.
Thousands of perfectly packaged bottles await global distribution, a testament to efficiency, ready to reach markets worldwide.
Logistics experts meticulously coordinate global shipments, ensuring our exquisite glass bottles reach their destinations with precision and care.
Our advanced machinery receives meticulous care, with skilled technicians ensuring peak performance and uninterrupted, flawless production.
Consumers choose glass for its purity, sustainability, and elegant presentation, knowing their products are safely and beautifully preserved.
From everyday essentials to cherished luxuries, glass ensures purity and safety for families worldwide, a trusted choice for generations.
In the hands of master mixologists, our bottles become vessels of artistry, delivering exquisite spirits and unforgettable experiences.
Crisp, cold, and pure, glass perfectly preserves freshness, offering an unparalleled sensory experience with every refreshing sip.
The journey comes full circle. Glass bottles, endlessly recyclable, return to be reborn.
Collected, sorted, and prepared, every glass bottle embarks on a new life, a testament to its infinite recyclability. Advanced optical sorters meticulously separate glass by color, preparing each fragment for its perfect re-entry into production.
Color-sorted cullet, a vibrant mosaic of recycled glass, awaits its return to the furnace, closing the loop of sustainable production. Seamlessly, recycled cullet re-enters production, blending with virgin materials, a testament to glass's infinite, sustainable journey.
Glass, a material of infinite possibilities, endlessly recyclable, a timeless testament. From molten sand to crystal clear packaging, the journey continues, endlessly sustainable.